Hi there, this is Rita coming to you from N. Jefferson, showing you some really cool notions that just arrived, including books. So let's start with the books. We have this little pocket guide here. It is the Pocket Guide to Crochet. I know you're seeing this backwards on the screen. I'm sorry, it's because I've got the video facing me. But this is a handy little guide. It is good for novice, the beginners, as well as the more experienced crochet people. Sometimes you just forget, sometimes you just need a little refresher, or you just have a little brain fart or something. So this would be a good little book. Also a great stocking stuffer. Christmas is coming, so there you go. Then we have the Perfect Crochet Finish, and it says on here, tips and techniques from reading a pattern to weaving in ends and everything in between. So you can make these really cool edges on your crochet items, and they've got some more samples on the back here that you can see. It's a kind of a nice book. We have this one here. Then we have, this is sort of, now we're crossing over to crochet and quilt. So we've got Quilt It, Crochet It. You can do either or. So this book actually shows you how to crochet these quilt block patterns, or you can actually quilt them. So if you're, you know, a lot of crafters here and sewists, we kind of move over to the knitting or the crocheting side. So this book is for you for that. Cute little heart. One is crocheted, one is quilted. Then we have the Ultimate Paper Piecing Reference Guide. So this is everything you need to know about the foundation paper piecing, which is FPP, or the English paper piecing, which is EPP. There's a lot of English paper piecing going on lately, and so this book is sort of lets you know how to do both. And if you're not sure, this is a good guide to help you with that. I've got some good helpful, here, see if I can show you some good helpful things in this book that you can see. So good book for that. If you like quilting the, what is it, New York Beauties. I love New York Beauties. They're great. They're so fun. So this is the New York Beauties book. It has templates in the back, and it also, what it basically shows you is different layouts and different sort of designs of how to do the New York Beauty in this book. So like, for instance, there's a layout, that's New York Beauty. There's this one here. There is, let's see, there's this one here. And it kind of shows you how to do it and the different layouts. Oh, here's a modern one. That looks pretty cool. So there's the layout there for paper piecing, and there's this one here if you prefer to, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's would be English paper piecing. So anyhow, so we have that book there. And then we have this book. Oh my gosh, the Serger book. Everyone loves their Serger, but sometimes you're just like, what the heck, you know, and you need to know something, and you need to, like, how does it work, what happened, how do you clean it, all that sort of stuff. So this is the essential Serger reference tool, your quick and easy visual guide. So I like that it has like a coil bound, it's coil bound, so it will lie flat, but it literally goes over all different things on your Serger. Let's see here. So choosing your Serger stitches, which ones, if they're balanced or not. That's always one that I always have a trouble with. I find I get one thread balanced and then the other is not. And anyhow, great book. This is a great book. And then we have this one here, the Barnstar Sampler. I love Barnstar quilts. So this is a cool sampler. You can make this quilt here. It shows you how, or you can make it's like 20 starry blocks and 7 spectacular quilts. So it shows you how to make some other quilts, some table runners, things like that. There's some things on the back that you can see here as well. My favorite is this one, my favorite. And then last but not least, in the book department, we have this one here, Fabric Cafe. Who doesn't love Fabric Cafe? They have come out with one more book. You know what, I don't know how they turn these books out so quickly. They are absolutely amazing books. This one is Curve Appeal with 3-yard quilts, and these are the quilts that you can make from it. So this is their newest book, and we do have it. We actually have the whole line of the Fabric Cafe book. So if you are looking for a certain book, we have it. We got you. We got you. So that's enough of the books. Okay, let's move these over here. We have this kit. This kit here from RIT is Back to Blue. You have some like faded denim jeans. You want to bring them back to blue. Maybe you just want to dye something else that's really dark blue. This is your kit. It has everything you need. It's got the dye fixative, it's got the dye you need, it's got the gloves, it's got the instructions. It's like, it's the whole kit and caboodle. So there you go. That is this one here. This is looks like a really good kit. Let's see what else here. Scissors. We got some really cool scissors, and I mean really cool scissors. These ones are black. We have them in 2 sizes, and the cool thing is they have on here the measurements. Now these are accurate measurements in both metric and imperial. Open them, see, isn't that cool? So we have these in 8-inch and 9-inch. They cut really well. They cut really, really well. Sharp to the point. So we have these in 2 different sizes, and then this one, little embroidery snips to match. So you have like a little set. So they have those just arrived, and those are pretty cool. To maintain your sewing machine. Every nook and cranny. You gotta clean every nook and cranny. So we got these tools here. What's nice about these is these are silicone. So silicone, you can actually wash these and get the dust off. So they're not like single use. So for those that like to reuse and stuff like that, and you're not like wasteful by throwing something away all the time, that's what these are good for. So there's 4 different sort of there's 3 different shapes actually, as you can see, and they will just clean out your sewing machine, all those little fuzz bits and everything. So these are good. And then we have this tracing wheel. This is a 3-in-1. 3-in-1 tracing wheel. So you have your smooth circle right here. You have I'm gonna put this closer, your serrated one, and then your sort of like little bumpy one here. So we got those, and then they tuck neatly inside the handle part in here when you're not in use. So you got one on the end, and then you got the rest in here, so you don't lose those little missing pieces. But I like this because sometimes, I like tools that are like multi-use, right? So I don't need to get a separate one for serrated. I don't need to get a separate one for a smooth edge. It's all in one, 3-in-1. There you go. Let's see here. And then, I got one more scissor here. Karen K. Buckley. You know Karen K. Buckley? If you have not tried her scissors, you don't know what you're missing. These are pretty damn good scissors. Probably shouldn't have said that. Pretty darn good scissors. And they cut straight to the point, made with Japanese high-tech steel, just like these ones here. But these ones are to follow her line. So these are the newest ones, the 8.5 inches. I think the other ones are 7 inches, I believe. So, or 7.5 inches. So these are the biggest ones that she has. Again, it comes with a nice strong sheath that when you put that sheath on, it clicks into place. You'll literally hear an audible click, and then you can literally hold it from the sheath, shake it around like that, and the scissors will not fall out. So that's one of the things I really like about her scissors. But the other thing that everyone loves is that they're ambidextrous, and they cut really well. they really, really cut well. We've got the whole line. So if you're wanting to get more of her scissors, we'll hook you up. We'll hook you up. And then the last thing I want to show you is this cool ribbon we got. So we have like 6 different colors. Glitter ribbon. Glitter ribbon. Who doesn't love glitter ribbon? So here we go. So this is the silver and the gold, and this is the iridescent. See how shiny and beautiful they are? And then we've got rose gold. Oh, it's so sparkly. And we have the red, which is also sparkly. I love glitter. Love glitter. And then black. So there we go. So nice ribbon here, but I want to show you on the back of the ribbon, because this is actually, I'm going to show you on this gold one here. So this is the, okay, they cut this weird. But on the back, it is like a cloth material, like a polypropylene is what it says. But so it's soft on the back, and it's actually pretty smooth on the front. Like, you're not going to lose any glitter on this. You're going to, like, you can totally wear this, sew through it really easily, and it's going to be good for all your crafts. For you want to put ribbons on, like something sparkly, sew it on a dress. You want to use it just for tying gift boxes, or maybe tie that for curtains or hair accessories. You know, just runs the gamut. So we have these here as well. So these are all of our new products. If you are interested in getting some, please visit our website. You can leave a message here below if you'd like, and I will try to answer you. Or best to just email us. Email us at sales@njeffersonltd.com, and someone will get back to you really quick. So I hope you enjoyed this new notions that we got in here. I know I haven't done a video for a long time, and I know a lot of you have missed that. I've heard from you guys, like, when's the next video coming out? Here we are. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if I can help you. If you have any other questions or comments, I would love to hear them. Thanks. Bye for now.